Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. A while back I shared with you that I purchased some clear jelly stamper stamping plates from the only UK stockist of clear jelly stamper, Nail.supplies. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing clear jelly stamper CJS117 Hippy Harmony. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So before I start the swatches, I do want to point out that this image I'm pointing to, I couldn't for the life of me get that to swatch. I tried everything, different positions of the plate, different scrapers, polishes, you name it, I tried everything. And I couldn't get it to be completely filled with polish, so I couldn't swatch it, and I'm very frustrated by this. It does go with the word harmony, so there isn't a swatch for this, but I have however swatched the word though. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a neon pink and a dark purple. So I'll start with the neon pink first for the base of the heart layer. For all of these swatches I am removing the excess with my lint roller. Once I've laid the heart down, I will then switch to the dark purple and pick up the outer layer. I love both of these stamping polishes, I use them a lot and they work really well together, especially on a lilac base. This is a really nice swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a yellow and a black. So I'll come in with the yellow first and I'll pick up the circle for the smiley face. You'll see when I lay this down that a little bit of it didn't want to go down, so I just very gently used my finger to push that down into place. I'll then come in with the black for the outer layer of the face to complete the image. I've never made a mani using an image like this, but I think I'm going to have to do that one day because this is a really nice image. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, an orange and a red. For the camper bus I'll start with the orange for the first layer. Now for these swatches I am only using the little ones just because I don't really get on with the larger style double layered images. Once I've laid the orange down, I'll then come in with the red for the second part of the bus. This image isn't great, it's got a lot of holes in it, but it still looks really good though, and I quite like it like this, to be fair. Really nice image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a teal green and a sparkly dark green. For the main bird I'm using the teal green first, and then for the outer layer I'll be using the sparkly dark green. Now I think I should have chosen a lighter green for the first layer because it's hard to see the difference between the 2 green stamping polishes. It's still a really good swatch though. I would love to see this in a lot of different colour combos, but like I say, nice swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a light blue and a metallic dark blue. I'll come in with the lighter blue first for the Dreamcatcher base, and then I'll come in with the metallic dark blue for the outer layer. When the swatch is finished you'll see that there's a slight bit over on the light blue. If this happens, you can remove it very carefully with a very tiny cleanup brush and isopropyl alcohol, acetone, whatever you fancy using. But it's still a really nice swatch though, and one swatch I know I'll be using quite a bit. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from clear jelly stamper CJS117 Hippy Harmony. Clear jelly stamper CJS117 Hippy Harmony is full of amazing hippie inspired images, of which I've created 29 swatches. I personally own nothing like CJS117, so I felt it needed to be in my clear jelly stamper collection. As I said at the beginning, the only one I've not swatched was the base of the word harmony. That's just on its own, but as you'll see they have all swatched really well, and I'm excited to see what else I can create using Clear Jelly Stamper 117 Hippy Harmony. From the smiley face to the camper buses, the flip-flops, sunglasses and the words, there is just so much from CJS117. My favourite image has to be the woman. She turned out amazing. I used the technique of stamping the outer layer in a very pale colour and then filling it all in. It's just so much easier to do this way with images like her, and I used her for my mani as well. I just had to, and I did the same with that as well. I was thinking to myself, have I ever seen a hippie inspired plate before? I'm sure there's some out there, but I honestly can't think of any. So I can really see this being a popular stamping plate, especially for the summer with festivals. The 3-layered image at the bottom of the plate didn't quite get that lined up very well. As I've said, I'm not great at the larger images with lining them up, and the wavy line at the top didn't quite turn out how I'd planned either. I would, however, use CJS117 as images to add to other manis, but also to create manis just by using CJS117. With the mani that I've made for this video, I did go a little bit over the top. I wanted to do something different and something that I've not done for a very long time. But I can't wait to return to see what else I can create. There are so many images that I want to use, like the sunglasses and flip-flops, the hearts, the groovy love. Yeah, there's just so many I want to use. I also want to see what other Clear Jelly Stamper stamping plates would work alongside CJS117. I'm thinking maybe some floral plates or maybe some pattern designs as well. CJS117 is definitely a stamping plate I want to spend some time with, but I absolutely love the swatches. I was extremely happy with them, and I have to say it was one of the easier Clear Jelly Stamper stamping plates that I've worked with. So if you're new to layering, maybe give this one a try. So for the mani, as I said, I went a little bit over the top, but I've used 2 different purple gel polishes to create the base. Love the effect of them two together. And I've used a few different stamping polishes to create the design for this mani. If my memory serves me correct, I used 6 different colours, which is quite a lot. On the dark purple, I've added some neon dot glitter to them just to give them something more. This is a very new glitter to me, but I just think it gives this mani that little bit more, and I love it. And even though I did go over the top, I absolutely love how this mani has turned out. So happy with it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS117 Hippy Harmony. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!